Good morning, student. Okay, how are you today? Okay, student, before we begin our lesson, let's apply together. So today learning we go. Okay, Charlie silakan. Okay, thank you, Charlie. Okay, next I will take attendance. Who is absent today? Okay, student, please enforce your attendance. So our daily conference until. Okay, student, before we begin the material, please take a look at this photo album I'm holding. Oke, perhatikan foto ini. Now, now I have a question. What does a photo frame have? The screen or record? Pertanyaan 2. What will happen if your photo frame will tilt with your fingers? Ya, betul sekali. This photo frame is modified, so the photo is not put off, and the square also has right corners and edges, so the photo can be more healthy and easily seen. Pertanyaan 2. This photo is trying to the mother photo not off, and the square also. Children, if this photo frame are scissors with your corners. The corners on the photo frame will scissors and set of the scissor boxes. Our material today explores in property plan figures. Dengan tujuan pada pagi hari ini adalah learning objective we will achieve here. First, analysis English, vertical, integral, accurate exploration of counter object in solving information, classifying various types of planets figure based on the geometry characteristic. That's not. I have two facets. They are almost little but different property by ethnos. Okay? Detail opens Now, student, this difference lies in season of the animals and set of the series, not the number of series. Now, children, mother wants to ask again. What if our object in the world were circular? Apa yang akan terjadi jika semua benda di dunia ini hanya berbentuk lingkaran? Yes, good. Objective for easily taking items is before transportation will differ without self-awareness, and manual the world will differ to assemble. Nah, pertanyaan kedua, apa yang terjadi jika kekuatan ini memadai dua ini? Jika batunya tidak berbentuk persegi panjang, what happens to the strength of the walls of the frozen wave filled if the brief area not rectangular? Yes, good student. The walls of the house become less strong, different of areas neatly rectangular brick area shaped around the and bounds. So, the special characteristic of angles and cedars determine the strength or assemblies of an object. Nah, ciri khusus hubungan sisi sangat membantu menentukan kekuatan dan kegunaan suatu benda. Bentuk suatu benda mempengaruhi cara benda itu menahan tekanan, menopang beban, atau digunakan dalam kehidupan sehari-hari. Okay, now as the purple on the paper we're going to check where the angles of the waveform from the table are particular when mouse assume the thickness of the irregular and expand. Nah, saya meminta dua orang untuk maju ke depan untuk mengukur papan tulis. Nah, yang satu menggunakan tangan atau jari-jari dan yang satu menggunakan lisan. Oke, silakan maju ke depan. Oke, thank you Charlie and Jen. Okay, is the arm straight? Yes, good student. Now I will analyze. Now I will analyze the side. Have a rectangle. We will cut the rectangle into two parts and cut in diagonal. Nah, sekarang kita akan memotong kertas dari yang berbentuk persegi. Kita potong menjadi dua bagian. Now okay, what is the form of triangle? Yes, two number triangles. Okay, good. Yes, that's right. So the group 1, group 2, and group 3. Okay. You will work on question I have given you. Kelompok 1, group 1 and group 2. Silakan dikerjakan dalam kelompok. Nanti hasil kerja kelompoknya akan perwakilan dari kelompok maju ke depan untuk mempresentasikan hasil kerja kelompoknya. Oke, Ibu kasih waktu kalian mengerjakan EKPD-nya 5 menit. Please, group 1, present the result of your group work. Group 1, present the result of your group work. Oke, Charlie silakan. Oke, outputs of group 1. Group 2, Jian, silakan. Oke, applause for quiz for group 2. Nomor 1. The number of angles and sides of the square in rectangle is, first the square has 4. For the angles, X angle is 90 derajat, and the sides have 4 sides. Oke, applause untuk kita semua. Next, the rectangle has 4 sides, 2 sides of the same length, 2 sides of the same width, and has 4 angles. Okay, children, you understand the material has been explained? Hello, do you understand the material that has been explained? Okay, applause for everyone. Okay, if you understand, I will smile it again. Nah, anak-anak, bangun datar adalah objek 2 dimensi yang dibatasi oleh garis lurus dan garis lurus atau garis lengkung seperti persegi dan jajar genjang. Nah, persegi anak-anak memiliki 4 sisi sama panjang dan memiliki sudut 90 derajat dan titik sudutnya ada 4. Nah, yang kedua, persegi panjang memiliki 4 sisi yang berhadapan sejajar, memiliki 4 sudut dan siku-sikunya 90 derajat. Now I want to ask what habits you find most often in house appliance or anywhere. That's right, there are family huts, table, windows, dolls, photo frames, mirror. Oke children, kemudian kita berakhir sampai di sini. Nah sekarang aku minta satu untuk memimpin kita dan berdoa. So before going home, I ask one person to add in prayer. Okay, good morning children.